Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss how to separate each cycle from the observed cyclic voltammetric data. Okay, so let's say this is my data, and if I'm going to plot this data, then here there are different cycles we have observed. So to separate each cycle, what we have to do is to go the worksheet, just click the spark lines and zoom it out, and this will represent the number of cycles. Okay, so if I'm going to zoom this part and just go to the data reader, click here, and we have observed the data along x-axis is 2001 and along y-axis is, that is potential, is minus 0.5. So we have to note it out. Okay, and we just need to go to the worksheet, split column option, and open dialog. Just recalculate option, you have to select auto, and then column to be split, because we need to split x-axis and y-axis both. So I will select all columns, then you have to select here by sequential and rows, and in this the value of n will be 2001, that is the data along x-axis that we have observed by using spark lines. You just need to click the output. I want output in this working sheet. Okay, so I'm going to click on OK. So here we have different cycles, values we have observed for different cycles. This is the value, this is the cyclic voltammetry for first cycle, and this is for second cycle, and this is how we can separate out each and every cycle from the observed cyclic voltammograms by using origin. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.